Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can fix the slow performance issue after updating the Windows 10. So some people you might think that your PC is working faster than before the update. So after updating the Windows 10, then your PC might work slowly. Then how you can fix this and how you can get back to the older version of your Windows 10. So firstly, you have to open your run program for pressing on Windows R button. Then you have to clean the right here, clean mgr. Okay, then you this type of a dialog box will open. Here is the C drive, which is my operating system drive. Okay, for you have to select the operating system drive. Okay, then click on OK. Then as you can see that there are so many options has been selected. You have to select these options, all the options. Then you have to click on OK. Then they will ask me to delete the files. You have to delete this option. So I'm not gonna do this because I deleted few seconds ago, so that's why my size is 6 MB. For you it can be GB, it can be more than 100 or 1000 MB. So you have to delete all of this. So I'm not gonna do this because I have done it before. Okay, then you have to do is you have to run the program again. You have to delete the temporary files by writing here temp. Okay, for as you can see that there are no temporary files has been showing, only two, because I have deleted all my temporary files. So if for you it can be 1000 or 100, so you have to select all the options and then delete all of these files. Okay, then again you have to open the run program. Then you have to write here percentage temp percentage. Okay, then you have to select all the files and then all delete all the files from here, so which will delete all the cache files and the temporary files from your Windows 10. So the main thing what you can do, you have to go to this PC, then the local disk C, then Windows. Coming to Windows, here you will see an option called software distribution. Okay, here you will see so many options. So if you think that your PC is working slowly after updating this, then you have to select all this and then delete all this. After deleting this, you will get back to the older version of your Windows. So that might work for your computer, and you will get back to the older version of your Windows 10, and your PC will works faster than before. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and this is how you can fix the slow performance issue and after updating the Windows 10 operating system. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.